So we were looking for an alarm system to put over our doors and maybe some of our windows that were like on the lower level. And we came across this Ring alarm kit, and there's several things that I'm really liking about it. First of all, I like that when anybody goes in or out of our doors, our back door, front door, we have it set up so it makes a noise and you can hear it. So nobody's going to walk in your house just without you knowing it. But if you also don't want that on, you can shut it off. You can also just get like a notification to your phone if you want. You can also pair it with Alexa. So there's just a lot of different ways that it works, but it was easy to install. I like that. And it just works great. Like you can see on the door, it just triggers it to when somebody comes in or out. But we haven't had any problems with it. It's been great, just kind of gives you peace of mind. But overall, I would recommend it. We'll probably end up getting another kit just so we can put it on some of our windows as well.